there, my name is Poornima and today in this video I'm going to talk about Mamaearth's Ubtan face wash. Mamaearth products are paraben-free, SLS-free and are hypoallergenic. This particular face wash is made with turmeric and saffron extracts, so it suits all skin types and it is made especially for tan removal. It is made with all natural ingredients. It repairs sun damage, plus it also helps in skin lightening. All these ingredients are really good for our skin. Also, Mamaearth is a brand that is plastic positive, which means that they recycle plastic more than they use. So it comes in a tube packaging like this. The one that I have is of 25 ml and the price for this is 99 rupees. It is not too thick and not too thin in consistency. You just have to wet your face and apply this face wash and massage it in circular motions like this. Because it has tiny scrub particles which are not too harsh on the skin, it will gently exfoliate your skin and also take away all the tan. It gives a natural glow and also helps in making our skin looking healthy. And this particular face wash does not dry out your skin, which means that it does not take away the natural oils of your skin. You can clearly see that the hand on which I used this particular face wash looks quite healthy and has a natural glow as compared to the other hand. So I would definitely recommend this particular product to you guys. If you want to try out a good face wash, then you can definitely give this product a try. So that's it for this video, guys. Take care and bye-bye.